Taking a look at the weather for us this morning. I love that picture, Elizabeth. What does it tell us? Because I think it is getting a bit warmer, but that's not all that's happening.
But, yeah, also a storm on its way. Our next name, Storm Kathleen. But I thought I'd start off with this beautiful picture. This was taken in Suffolk. Lovely red sky, bit of blossom on the tree. And it was taken by our weather watcher, Betty. Hotspot, because it could be a little bit of a hotspot today across East Anglia. We may well get to 22 degrees Celsius, making it the warmest day of the year so far. But of course, of more concern today is going to be the strength of the wind. Storm Kathleen, next name storm, bringing us gales towards western coast in particular, maybe severe gales locally for some Irish sea coast, but it's blustery right across the UK and it's also very warm as well. So the storm's been developing, the low pressure deepening over the last 24 hours. You can see this beautiful swirl here of cloud on the satellite picture, very strong jet stream too, some strong gusty winds, that powerful storm just tracking further northwards. And just take a look at the squeeze on the isobars here for those Irish sea coasts. Here we could see some severe gales locally, but because it's a southerly to southwesterly wind, we're also dragging in that very warm feeling air. So massive leap in temperature for Scotland, 22 Celsius, always possible across parts of East Anglia, probably northeast Norfolk. But it's quite a wet start to the morning. It's mild out there for most of us. Wet for parts of Scotland, that is. That rain clears away to the north. There'll be blustery showers following on behind it. More showers just gradually pushing further eastwards. But lots of dry weather around as well, particularly for eastern areas of England with some sunshine. But strong gusty winds pretty much wherever you are. But towards these Irish sea coast exposed areas, we could be looking at gusts of up to 60 to 70 miles an hour. And that's enough, of course, to cause some travel disruption and some very large waves as well. But certainly mild for the time of year. Temperatures are well above the seasonal average. Now, as we head through this evening and overnight, then we're going to see those blustery showers, maybe a rumble or two of thunder at times, just gradually track further eastwards. We're importing some slightly fresher feeling conditions as well, so it's not quite as mild as it is out there this morning, but still mild for this point in April, certainly. And then tomorrow, it's another day of sunshine and showers. We'll be seeing more showers as we head through the morning, again tracking eastwards, some possibly forming in lines, maybe, to form what will feel like longer spells of rain. And again, it's windy, gusts of wind widely of up to 40 to 50 miles an hour. But again, the strongest gusts of wind probably towards Irish sea coast and most likely, I think, out towards western areas of Scotland. Again, it's mild, but not quite as warm as today, 10 to 17 degrees Celsius. Now, if you're looking for some respite from the showers, then I'm afraid out towards western coast again, we're looking at another rather wet day. It'll be cloudier but drier, I think, further east. It's still mild, still warm out there, and the winds will be a little bit lighter as well. But some very windy conditions around, of course, for the rest of today. Lighter winds by the time we get to Monday, and there'll be a dip in temperature, actually, by the time we get to Tuesday, but then warming up again for much of the rest of the week. Naga and Charlie.
Elizabeth, thanks so